In this explainer video, we'll be creating a stream on Streamr. So the first thing I'll do is I'll sign in. I'm going to use the Ethereum option and using MetaMask here to sign a challenge that authenticates me. So when I'm into the Core app where I see a big Create Stream button. I'm going to click that and yeah, let's create our stream. So I'm going to create a location stream. So I'm going to call it my real-time location. Brief description, chords, lat, long. So this stream will hold some location data. So that's all I need at this stage. So I'm going to hit save and exit. And you can see that my stream was created. But it has this red status here, which means that there's no data flowing through that yet. So let's fix that up. If you go to our documentation under tutorials, there's a really helpful JS bin that I'm going to show you just now. And this is a script that will push data to your stream all inside the browser. So all it needs is the stream ID and the API key. And once it has that information, it's going to push this hello world message. So I'm just going to amend this a little bit, and instead of sending the stream hello world, we're going to send it a lat long coordinate. And there's a little bit of randomness added so that we can see that the data is changing after each message. Okay, so let's get our stream ID and API key. So I'm going into the profile section and I'll select API keys. It scrolls me down. I'll click on the meatball menu. I'll click copy. This is our API key that authenticates us. And I will hit cancel. And that will take me back to the stream listing page. Click on the stream. And I'll click on this copy stream ID button to copy this stream ID. Now I'm just going to scroll down so that you can see how the script works. So I'm going to go to this preview section here, and as I enter the stream ID, the script is going to immediately execute. And when it does, it's going to push data into the stream, and you'll see it immediately in the preview. Okay, here we go. So in the JS bin, we can see that the messages are being pushed, and on Streamr, you can see inside the preview that they are being received. So we can hit inspect, and we can view the real-time data as it flows through the stream. And one more point to note is that in our configure section, our fields have been automatically configured. We had this setting set to on by default, and so Streamr automatically detected the fields of the object and determined the types of the data that we were pushing to. So we didn't have to do any extra work there. And we can hit save and exit, and we are green. So now we have a healthy stream, and in the following videos we'll show you what you can do next with your stream.